Welcome back everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the Allison TCM 1000 and 2000 series TCM. What is an Allison transmission? Allison Transmission is a company that specifically focuses on manufacturing automatic transmission and hybrid propulsion systems. Their products can be found in various pickup trucks as well as commercial vehicles. General Motors partnered with Allison Transmission to provide reliable transmissions in their lineup of various automobiles. The Allison 1000 and 2000 series can be found on these vehicles that you see on your screen. The location of the Allison 1000-2000 series TCM on the Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras 2001 and 2005 is typically found at the left front of the engine compartment. There isn't necessarily a manufacturing design flaw in terms of placement design. However, due to age and vibration, these TCMs can become unresponsive. When these TCMs begin to fail, they will typically display no communication codes or faulty controller codes. You may also experience hard shifts, no shifting at all, or the vehicle is in limp mode, meaning the vehicle is in safe mode, designed to protect the engine and transmission by disabling the vehicle from shifting the gears. As you'll see on the screen, here are some of the most common diagnostic trouble codes associated with those issues. Purchasing a replacement Allison TCM can cost hundreds of dollars more for a used good working one, let alone a new one, plus the additional programming fees to pair it to the truck since these are VIN encoded and have specific programming. Having your original TCM rebuilt is ideal not only because it has all of your original programming, but because another used one or new one might have the same manufacturing defects, which means it'll only be a matter of time before the issues inside have to be addressed. Save thousands of dollars by having your original one refurbished. Not only will it be plug and play when you get it back, but it'll also come with a 1-year warranty. You can also select a 2, 3, or even a 5-year warranty as an optional upgrade when you send in your TCM for repairs. The repair process can be difficult, but thanks to our cutting-edge repair equipment and certified technicians, we're able to refurbish the commonly known issues on this TCM. How long does it take to repair? Well, once your unit arrives at our facility, we first confirm that a valid VIN has been provided and check to make sure that the issues described are something we can repair. Once that's been confirmed, we can repair your unit typically within 3 to 5 business days. After scanning your vehicle, visit our website upfix.com and find the service repair page for your particular unit. If the codes and issues match what you're currently experiencing on your vehicle, send in your unit in for repair. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.